Linux comes in different variations known as what? So we have desktops, distros, Ubuntus, and mints. Well, let's take out first of the two that I know aren't going to be the answer, Ubuntu and Mint. So these two answers, or possible answers, are themselves Linux distros. So they're just different versions of Linux. So Ubuntu and Mint, you can get them if you wanted to, and you could run them. But we're going to take that out because those, again, are Linux distros, and they're not answering the question. Linux comes in different variations known as what? So now, I kind of just told you the answer. I just realized that. The answer is going to be distros. The answer will not be desktop, and desktop is basically the main screen of a Linux, a Apple, or a Windows system. That's your desktop, just the main screen. So distros. Distros are different versions of Linux, and Linux can come in different variations known as distros.